Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today for breakfast I made a super yummy avocado toast. So now is the avocado season, so we are getting lot of avocados in the market. So this avocado taste is so simple yet very filling and very super yummy. So first the avocados, I have cut the avocados and then I am going to scoop out the pulp with the help of a spoon. So friends, avocado is very good for our health. It has lot of good fat in it. It is also called butter fruit because the texture resembles as like butter. So it's so smooth and so nice and super tasty. You can make various dishes with avocados, like avocado salad, and you can put it into toast and sandwich, a lot of things. So today I'm going to make super easy and super yummy avocado toast. So after I scoop out the pulp, I'm going to smash with the help of a spoon and one fork. Once I smash it with the help of the fork, I'm going to add here salt as per taste, black pepper, and two cloves of crushed garlic, and half a lemon juice. And then I'm going to mix it very well. So and then that's all. You do not need any more thing. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I really do appreciate your support a lot. So now I am going to toast two pieces of bread. So here I have taken this multi-grain bread. So this is a healthier version rather than a wheat bread. So this is brown bread with lot of millets in it. So I am going to toast it until it is golden brown. So I am going to add little bit of butter so that it gets crispy. The more the bread is crispy, the more tastier will be our sandwich. So friends, I like to make my breakfast full healthy and yummy. A lot of time I make my breakfast South Indian idli, dosa. That is also super healthy, as those will be made with fermented batter, and that's very good for our health, gut health, and that gets digested very fast. So I include lot of millets also on my breakfast and lunch, also for dinner. So the bread has become golden brown. Now I'm going to spread it all over the bread. So thank you so much friends, and thank you so much for supporting me, and because you all support I have come so far, and I also appreciate all your effort. Thank you so much. So breakfast is a very important meal of our day, and it's very important we get a full breakfast. And the more you have protein loaded breakfast, the more it will keep you fuller for longer time and full energetic till the lunch time. So it's very important that we eat less of carb and more of protein. So friends, please try to add your breakfast more of protein and good fat. So after I spread the bread with those avocado mixture, now I'm going to sprinkle it with little bit of chili flakes and little bit of olive oil. So it will give a little bit spicy taste, and it's going to be super yummy. So friends, see, my super yummy avocado toast is ready, and it was really yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day everyone.